What's up, Kids Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, I have a product from Saramonic. They were kind enough to send me out their Blink 100 B6. So these are some wireless microphone systems. So you do get one for your smartphone, and you get two mics here. I believe you can connect this to a camera, a computer, and another smartphone. So pretty much this is what the box looks like. It tells you everything you can do here. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it has different details about the product. It says you do get up to 10 hours of XTS 6 battery life. So pretty much this is what it looks like around the box. This is the website right here. This is the this is what they sent me over. So this is the B6 ultra portable 2-person clip-on wireless mic for mobile devices and computers with USB-C, but I think this may work on my camera because my camera actually does not have USB-C, but I think I'll be able to still use it. We'll have to see. I have to check that out later on, but pretty much this is just a unboxing and a quick look around the device. So pretty much these will run you $139 if you want to pick this product up for yourself. So pretty much this is what you get. You get the cats, you get the two mics, you get the two receivers, the plug-in for your smartphone, and then you also get a carrying case. So we shall see what this looks like. And like they said, you'll be able to clip one to you and then clip one to something that is USB type C. So maybe this is just good for computers and smartphones, which is okay if it is, because I do have a computer and smartphones and smartphones. So pretty much let's get back into the box. So here it is right here. Get my unboxing knife so we can cut this open and see what it looks like, and later on I'll have to come back with another video testing everything out. Right now I just want to unbox it and take a look around and show you what it looks like. So let me get it open here, and I want to say thank you Saramonic for sending this over to me, because this is actually very, very helpful. I've been needing and looking for something like this actually, so this will be very, very good to have. I believe if you're a content creator, every YouTube content creator should have something like this. Because say you wanted to do like an interview style video, this will allow you to have access to do that, because you can have one of these clipped on to you, and then you can have your next microphone clipped on to your person that you want to interview, and you're able to do a video just like that. So pretty much these are the products that you get inside here. This is what this looks like. This one is just for your see if we can get it to focus. This one here is for your smartphone with USB-C. So this looks like, and then these are the two clips, microphone clips, that you would clip on to yourself or someone else that you wanted to interview. Here's your instructions. I'm not going to open this, but I may need to look at that, because like I said, this is the very first time I've ever had a product like this. I need to get myself a little bit familiar with what it is. So pretty much this is a nice little carrying pouch here, so you can tuck your devices away in here if you want to go traveling. And in the inside here you do get your cords, your cables. Like they said, this is for USB-C. So as long as your camera has USB-C, which I don't know if mine does, I'll have to check that out later and let you know. But this is what you get, your cables, and then you get your cats, your dead cats for your microphone, so you can place them up here. Let me see if I can get that on there real quick. you can place them up here and clip it onto you when you're talking. So this is very, 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 very nice. I actually like the presentation and everything that comes in the box. This is very, very nice. A little nice carrying pouch. It says Saramonic on the top there, as you can see. And first, you can plug. This is the phone part. So this piece here, like I said, will connect it to your smartphone. So I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. And I'll come back with another video on a later date, testing out the sound of these microphones a little later. But I just wanted to open them up and show you what I have here. And these are very nice, small, and compact. I really like that. So you'll be able to just clip this onto your shirt and you'll be good to go. First, let me cut my device on real quick and let me show you how it works with your smartphone, as long as it is USB Type-C. So pretty much this will work mainly for like Android devices and computers and iPad and the iPad Pros that have USB Type-C. So pretty much you just connect this here to your smartphone down here, and it is blinking. And now let's record and let's see if it is picking up the sound, because I'm speaking directly into the microphone. So now let's see if I'm actually getting somewhere with this. So once that's done, now we shall see. See if I'm actually getting somewhere with it. Okay, so I figured it out. Silly me, that's why it's good to read instructions if you don't know what you're doing. So in order for this to work together the way you need to, you would plug this into your smartphone and then you would talk into this. So you would put this on you. You'd have to clip this to yourself or wherever you want to. I'll clip it to myself, but I'm behind the camera. So you clip this to yourself. This is your actual mic right here. This is what you're speaking into. This is just the device you would plug in to your smartphone or your tablet to have it pair. So this is what you do. You plug this in and then you actually speak into the mic right here, the little microphone right here. So this is basically the little mic. So if you're outside and you're recording with your smartphone, you would have it, your camera set up. You could have it on a tripod, a handheld tripod, or a tripod that is just standing still on the ground, and you would just talk through this microphone to have better sound quality. So this is pretty cool. But like I said, I'll be back again with another video on a later date, showing you, testing this out and showing you different products you can use this on. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.